everyone, my name is LeBouef and welcome back to my channel. I am totally in the spring mood. It is the first official day of spring, so happy spring to y'all. And I'm in my flower shirt. I've got a hairstyle that you can throw some flowers in as well. And I'm gonna be doing a hairstyle I feel like would be great for spring. And the exciting part about today's video is that it's in collaboration with a few girls here on YouTube. And it's with Macy and Chloe, and they are just so sweet. I really wish that we could be friends in person, but social media will have to do it for now. And they're just so awesome. They do a lot of makeup videos as well as hair. And they're going to be doing outfits for spring and giving you guys some ideas on fashion and outfits for the springtime. I will have their video linked down below. Make sure to subscribe if you are new. And let's get into this messy boho tutorial for spring. Yeah. I'm starting off this look by taking hair from the crown of my head, and you don't want it to be too thick, but I'm gonna go ahead and use a clear elastic, and I'm separating it a little bit for more volume and then splitting it in two right here. And then you're just gonna flip that hair right into the center, and this is gonna create a really pretty twisted effect, and then you'll just kind of volumize it with your hands to your liking. So now I'm going to the left side of my head and taking a strand of hair and doing the same thing with my right, and this time the twist is going to be on the right side of our head. So we're kind of going to go in a zigzag with the pieces that we take. So doing that, securing it with the elastic once again, and it's going to be on the right side of my head. Just twisting it through, and there you go. Got your cute little twist. Now when it came to my left side, I decided to take out a few pieces to frame my face. That's optional, but do what you want, girl. And I'm taking the left side of my hair, and then I'm taking the right once again, and these are just two strands separately, tying them together with the elastic and twisting it through once again. And the more you pull out the twist, the fuller it will look. So I think it's just really cute when you pull it out and make it voluminous. And we're just going to repeat those steps. The closer to the neck that you get, the thicker the hair is going to be, so just be aware of that. So I'm taking a strand from the left side and the right, putting it together to create the twist on the right side of my head. And once I'm done with that, we're doing the same thing on the left. And while doing the hairstyle, you want to keep checking in the mirror, because then I realized that I wanted to actually pin this part because it was kind of drooping down a little too much. So of course go in and pin any places that you kind of want to secure a little bit more. And now that I'm looking back at the footage, I think it would even be cute to stop right here instead of going all the way down your hair, but it's of course all up to you. So I just went ahead and kept doing it. This is the twist on the right side, and then I'll do another twist further down, more on the left. I was kind of just winging it. I just like how messy and boho it turned out. So here I'm bringing my hair to the front so I can easily put it on the left side of my shoulder, and I'm twisting. Once again, you know, I love the effect that this gives because it looks like a fishtail braid, but literally took you like 2 seconds. So this is a lazy girl guide for a fishtail, alright? Yeah, so I'm doing one last little twist here, and you are done, girl. And that's it for the hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, I'll have my media links down below, and you can subscribe if you haven't already to this channel. I hope you guys tried out this little boho little hairstyle, and if you made it to the end of this video, you should comment a flower emoji, your favorite flower emoji, because it is spring, it is here, and we're all about flowers. All right, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.